Guys, what is going on? Welcome back to another car stands video. Today I have for you Vert Media. Vert, how you doing? And this is called Toyota S1 Supra. I need those keys right now. Give me the mother keys right now, guys. The mother loving keys right now. Let's go ahead and let's check this out, guys. Thank you so much for all the love and support in the car channel. We're almost to 8,800, not 8,000. Whoa, subscribers. Let's hit it and then let's pass it. Okay. All right, let's check this out. Let's go. What do you have for me, Vert? Cops? Step out of the car? Why?
I'm gonna need those keys right now.
Ah. You know, I haven't seen one of these Supras driving around lately though. What I've been seeing lately here in Orlando is like a lot of GTRs, like a lot. Not a lot of S2Ks, but mostly, you know, there's a lot of GTRs and a lot of the new Supras as well. Not the old ones. But this is sexy though. Oh, it's right-hand drive too? Sheesh. He has the paddle shifters? Dope. I wonder how much it costs to add the paddle shifter gears inside of this car. Oh, Fair Lady Z. Oh my God. Oh my God. How they gonna tease us? How are they gonna tease us with the Fair Lady Z? Jesus. Yo, this is nice. It's clean. I love it, bro. It's really clean. And the yellow mustard look looks really nice too. I like it. Yeah, this thing is sexy. This thing is sexy. I love it. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Like, subscribe, comment. I love and appreciate every single one of you guys. And like always, I'll see you on the next video, okay? Peace.